Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my new video. And inside of today's video, we are going to implement PM2. So, PM2 stands for Process Manager 2. So, why do we need a PM2? Let me explain you with an example. So, as you can see, I have my Postman ready, and let's go start our server. CD deploy VM and then pnpm run start, right? So this is going to start my Node.js application at port 3000, and previously we saw that how reverse proxy works. So I'm just going to send the request to the domain name with an http, or I can do http as well. So there we go, we have a response from the server. Let's do it with https as well, and there we go, we did it with https as well. So then now what am I going to do is I'm just going to close this off. Boom. Now the app is no more running in my instance. That is my WSC. Now let's see if it's going to work or not. There we go. There's an error saying bad gateway. That means we didn't get a desired response. Why is this happening? Because once we close our server, whatever things are running inside, so whatever the processes, I should say, which are running inside our VM are going to get closed. So or how can we have our processes on 100% of the time? So that's where PM2 comes up. So PM2 is a process manager which is going to keep your processes alive forever. It's going to run them and not make them stop. So that's how it's going to work, and that's why we use process manager too. So in order to install it, it's pretty simple. First we gotta add it to, go to your server first, and then let's clear it up, and then we can add pnpm add global pm2. So this is going to install pnpm pm2 globally. There we go, it's installed. And the next thing you want to do is go to your deploy or your Node.js application, and what you want to do is simply copy this pm2 start. So pm2 start server.js. Server.js is the entry point. So if your entry point is named as index.js, it will be pm2 start index.js. So right now it is server.js. So it is pm2 start server.js name, flag name, and that means that we have to name it something. So I can name it as my first process. So we can name it as my first process, and boom, if I press on enter, there we go. It did something and it started my process. As you can see, the status is online. That means it is running and it is taking some memory. So once we start the process, all you got to do is three commands. So pm2 startup, saying that whenever the server is restarted or rebooted, we can just start the PM2 process. That's good. It has successfully, ran. And then PM2 save the configurations. We're going to save the processes list of processes which are going to run. It's going to get saved in this directory where the config is. And then the next part, the final part would be PM2 restart my Express app. We named it as my first processes. So we have to just paste this down, my first process, and there it is restarted. So we restarted the app and it is running. So let's just test it out first. So we are going to send a get request. And yeah, there we go. Hello from our virtual machine. It is running successfully. Now what I can do is just close that tab and close the VM. So now I should see it's still working. There we go. It's still working. Even though you close your terminal or your VM, it still works. And this is the power of PM2, keeps your app 100% of the time alive. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, then leave it a like or subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.